What is up, guys? Lo-Fi Gaming back at it again today. Okay, first of all, some big news. I finally bought my new Nintendo 2DS XL, and my phone just got upgraded to Android 10. So, but that's not too important, so let's take our 2DS XL out. So that's the Walmart bag. I did buy it at Walmart. Receipt. Put that aside. But here we have our jewel, the new Nintendo 2DS XL, pre-included with Mario Kart. But I already own Mario Kart, and I will have to do a system transfer. But first, let's just open it up. Focus. Is it gonna focus? Okay, so let's open it up. Oh wow, that's hard. Oh, and it does have the C-stick so you can play Minecraft? Oh, and it does have amiibo functionality. Okay, so here we do have our edge. Let's open this from this side. Let's take it out. I'm going to put my iPhone aside. Okay, wow. Here's our empty box. And here we do have our charger. Super nice. But we do, okay. Nope. Oh, wow. This is just amazing. So let's take this out. Okay, let's take this out, I guess. And the first thing you'll see is your instruction booklet on how to charge? I don't know. And next thing you have is your AR cards. They're pretty cool, actually, honestly. They're nice. But this is what we came for. Oh baby. That's, I don't know what I'm saying, why I'm saying this. Your cameras, AC adapter. Oh wow. Jesus. This is so nice. Power button, stylus. No way, this is super. Oh, and you do have your flap. Oh wow, this is amazing. Let's open this up. Nintendo logo. Oh, you can see my face back there. But wow, the buttons are cool. And this is coming. The circle pad. Oh wow. I need a. Where's my 2DS? Where did I put my 2DS? I don't know where it is, but this is amazing. Oh, and it's pretty light too. Actually, and it is glossy. Let's turn it on. Oh wow. These buttons. And you have two reflections of me, two different timelines. But oh wow. So I will set this up about now. So see you when it's set up. Alright guys. So I just set this all up and it is focus. Yes, so I couldn't transfer my system data because I originally set my system up from Mexico, so I do have all my accounts in pesos, and I don't want to do that, but this is dumb, but look at what I have. Here are my non-saves, and here are my saves. Non-save, save, non-save, save, non-save, save. So, yeah, but this is a super nice console, actually. You do have, and close it, your ZL and ZR buttons. You do have your cameras, AC adapter slot, So basically, this is just a 3DS XL without the 3D. It does feel a bit cheaper. But this is overall freaking amazing. Here you do have your cartridge slot. Actually, am I playing it? No, I am not. We can just take it, plop it out, and this is where you put it in. Super nice. SD card too, but I don't want to take that out. I don't want to risk losing everything. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. This was Lo-Fi Gaming. This was the unboxing and quick review of. Actually, we do have one thing left. It actually comes with an AC adapter. How crazy is that? Wow, imagine a 3DS system without an AC adapter. Just wow. I can't believe one. But that is all it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. This was Lo-Fi Gaming. I'm out.